Hi friends, welcome to our channel. This is your well-wisher of Srinivas. Beautiful topic for we are going to discuss what is such a good content in our channel. That is nothing but percentage and its applications. What is percentage? Is in these marriage sessions and any functions we have to go for marketing and shops or we are doing something. In that any article they are giving offer to us. That offers is called percentages. If they are giving percentage more percent, we should buy habitually. In that, what is percentage? Without pen and paper, we do calculation is required in that time. That is our cleverness. You see, dear friends, I want to tell you before going to start a class, I want to tell some motivational tip for you. మ్యాథ్స్ అంటే కష్టం, మ్యాథ్స్ చేయడం చాలా కష్టం, పర్సెంటేజ్ చేయడం చాలా కష్టంగా ఉంటుంది అని అనుకోకూడదు. ప్రపంచంలో ఏది కష్టం కాదు. మనం ఆలోచించే విధానం మారాలి. మనం ఆలోచన విధానం క్లెవర్గా స్మార్ట్గా ఆలోచిస్తే ఏదైనా ఇష్టం, కష్టం అనేది ఏది ఉండదు. అందులో భాగంగా పర్సెంటేజ్ కూడా చాలా ఈజీ. ఎంత పెద్ద పర్సెంటేజ్ అని ఇవన్నీ అండి మనం ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు త్రూ అవర్ వీడియోస్. వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ దిస్ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఇన్ పార్ట్ 3. యూ షుడ్ సీ what is the main important learning outcomes today which we are going to discuss. Let us see, my dear friends. What is percent? What is percentage? What is rate percent? Right? Finding percentage of a number. Convert percentage to fraction. Convert fraction to percentage. Yeah? Simple. What is percent? Percentage is a method of expressing fractions or any part of a number into equivalent form. That means a number and a fraction having the denominator is 100, then it is called percentage. Clear? Percent means for every 100. Percent means every 100. 1% equal to 100, 2% like that equal to 100 for every 100. Percentage means the fraction having the denominator is 100. That is called percentage. Now rate percentage means such a fraction is having numerator will be there, no? That numerator is called rate percent. So percentage means every 100. Percentage means the fraction is having denominator is 100. And rate of percent with the numerator value is called rate percent. It is denoted by percentage denoted by like this. X percent. X percent means X for 100, X for 100 or X by 100. This is a term we have to write percentage. Next, finding a percentage of a number. Simple. How to find the percentage a number? The steps you have to follow. First step, to obtain a number. For example, to obtain a number is X. To obtain a percentage value. This number is multiplied with p%, then we will get such a number. By seeing example, you can understand very easy, right? For example, find the value of x. Find the value of x, dear boys. 3% of x is 9. Find the value of x if 3% of x is 9. Simple. If you can solve this question, simple amount. 3% percentage means, I said percent means divided by 100. Percentage means 3 by 100. This x, this is the key term, is nothing but equals to 9. Then we have to get the answer x equals to this term transfer to right side becomes reciprocal 100 by 3. 3 1 ja 3 3 ja. So x equals to 300. The number will be 300. In the 300, 3% is 9. Right? This is a way how to find the percentage of a number, any number. Obtain a number, obtain a percentage. This percentage is divided by 100, that is equals to given number. Then we will get the answer. You see how it is easy. 3% of x is equals to 9. Now x equals to 9 into reciprocal of the term, then we will get the calculation, some particular value. Right? Next, learning outcomes. Percentage to fraction. Simple. You can say 1%. Yeah, you are right. 3.5, right? Good. 3.5% converted into fraction. Simple. You have to write 3.5% means 100. Right? Percent means divided by 100. Next, point you can cancel. If you point means you keep one zero, one number and one zero. Point after one number will be the 1 0. Now 35 by 1000. Right? 3.5 nothing but it fraction value 35 by 10. Here already 100 there. 35 by 1000. Then we have to cancel. 5 2 ja 0 0 5 7 ja. So answer will be 7 by 200. 7 by 200 not possible to cancel because even number odd number. The answer is 7 by 200 is the fraction. Percentage converted into fraction. This is a fraction form, P by Q form. Clear? Now last learning outcome. Fraction to percentage. Simple, you can say any one fraction 3 by 4. Right? Then multiply with 100. I told you very clearly. Percentage converted into fraction, we have to divide it by 100. Fractions are converted into percentage, we have to multiply with 100. With 100. Here fraction. Percentage multiply with 100. Simple number. 25 is 25 3 is 75%. We know very well 1% equals 100. 1 by 2 50%. 3 by 4 75%. 1 by 4 25%. So 3 by 4 nothing but 75%. This is the learning outcomes we have completed. You can use the table. That table you can keep in your mind. Then the percentage is easy for you. Let us see. Friends, you see how to find the percentage in the certain number, certain amount. How to find the for example, do you have any number? In that number, what is the 100%? What is the 50%? What is the 25%? What is the 1%? What is the 10%? What is 30, 40? Like these questions we have to solve the without pen paper. How it is easy to solve it? By logically we can approach it. If you know that this table, it is easy. But before that, some example let us see. For example, you have a 720 rupees. In this 720 rupees, what is 100%? 720 only. 720 is 100%. Full. What is the 50%? You have to, they are giving 50% discount. What is the amount we should give to them? Simple. 360. Right? You are right. 50% is nothing but half of it. 720 by 2. Right? Now, for example, they are asking 25%. Oh, yes. 25% means in that half 180. Right? That means 720 by 4. We are getting 180. Clear? Now they are asking 10%. Simple. Simple sir, 72 rupees. They are giving 72 rupees reduction. 72 rupees discount. So 70. That means 720 by 10. 70. They are asking 1%. Simple, we are writing 7.2. 1% means 2 decimals back. 10% means 1 number decimal back. 10% means 1 number decimal back. 72. 1% means by 100, no? 2 zeros will be there, no? 2 numbers come to forward, backward. Then we are getting 7.2 is the answer. This is very easy, no? 720, 50%, 360, 25, 180, 10%, 72, 1%, 72. Somebody, sir, some logical question they are asking. Somebody, sir, testing for our knowledge. What is the 30%? Simple. What is the 30%? Simple, you can say, yes, 10%. Multiply with 3. 72, 3 is a 216 answer. That's good, right? You see, they are asking what is the 30%. Don't take any fear. Cool, you have to logically get the knowledge. Yeah, 3 into 10%. 3 into 10%. Yes, this is the 10%, sir. 3 into 72. 216. Like this, they are asking. Somebody are asking like this. What is the 33%? They are asking. Don't worry, don't feel any hesitation. Very easy amount. 33 means 30 plus 3. Right? Already we got 30 value. What is the 30 value? 216 plus 3%. 1% how much? Only 7.2. 7.13 is 3. 7.23. 3 to the 6. 3 7 is 21. 21.6. Now plus 21.6. We are getting here 0.6, here 7. Here 3, here 2. 237.6 is the answer of 33%. Like that you can say without pen paper also. When it is possible, dear friends, if you know this table, then it is possible. Let us see the table. 1% means 100. Clear? 2%, 2 by 100, nothing but 1 by 50. 4%, 4 by 100, nothing but 2 by 50. Right? And that means 1 by 25 also. Like 5%, 5 by 100, nothing but 1 by 20. 10%, 10 by 100, nothing but 1 by 10. Clear? 15%, nothing but 15 by 100, nothing but 3 by 20. Clear? And that means the percentage is converted into fraction. How it is easy? Let us see only. Next 20%, 20 by 100, that means 1 by 5. Clear? 25% direct I am going to write 1 by 4. 50% 1 by 2 I am going to write with the knowledge, previous knowledge. 75% 3 by 4, 100% 1. Here 1% is 100, 100% is 1. You see how it is easy, Amma? Next, fractions converted to percentage, that is very dangerous. Here 1 by 2, nothing but 50%. 1 by 3, nothing but 33.33%. 1 by 4, nothing but 25%. 1 by 5, nothing but 20%. Right? 1 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 6. If you find 1 by 6, if you know the 1 by 3, 1 by 6 is very easy. Half of it, 16.66 percentage. 1 by 7, this is very unique value, 14.2857. 1 by 8 is nothing but 12.5. Is 1 by 4, half of 1 by 4 into half. 1 by 4 to 25, for 25 by 2, 12.5. Clear? Don't by heart, logic. 1 by 9, 1 by 3, half of it, 1 by 3 divided by 3, 33.33 divided by 3, that means 11.11. 11.11. 1 by 10, very easy, 10%. This is the way we have to find very easy, children. If you know this table in your mind, then any kind of question you can solve it. Now 15% of 400, we have to go with the traditional method. You don't worry. First listen traditional method, then I will tell the short technique. 15 by 100, percentage means divided by 100, half means into in board mass, BODMAS, O for half means multiplication symbol, into 480. Here 0 0 will cancel, 5 3 ja, 5 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 4 ja, 24 3 ja, 72 is the answer. This is a traditional method we have to do. If you know the table, this answer will get 5 seconds. Count it. 15%. 15% value 3 by 20. Write down 3 by 20 into 480. 0 0 cancel, 2 1 2 2 2 4 24 3 72. Finish the answer. If you know the 15% value, substitute directly, you will get the answer. Next, this one. 16.66%. Keep in your mind 16%. Sir, 16. Oh my God, what is the value? What is the 1 by 6? Yes, 16 by 6. 1 by 6. Right now, 1 by 6 into 720. 6 1 is 6 12 is 72. 120. 121 is 120. What is the value? 120. If you know the tables, this answer will be very easy. I hope that you have to understand this perfect introduction class for us. Then you have to do one important thing, that you have to ask the questions to your friends. I should give you some questions to practice purpose. That questions you do it immediately. Tell the answer in the comment section and share this video to your friends and give the encourage for us putting likes and comments also. Till then, practice well, stay home.